Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, like my videos. I am posting post-market report and pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So whoever new to my channel, please check my old videos and come back to this new video. You can get the ideology of the Bank Nifty and Nifty levels for every day, and also with the post-market report. And coming to our topic, this is post-market report for Bank Nifty, how it was worked perfectly, which I showed you on a previous video. If you don't watch the previous video, pre-market report of Bank Nifty, please watch that video and come back here so that you can get to know. Because these levels, which I showed you on the previous video for pre-market, okay, where is the stop loss, how where is need to book profit and trailing stop loss, everything, okay. So please watch that video. So, coming to the point, see, as I showed here, I already marked this line. Are you able to see this blue line? Okay, if market retracement and go, you have to go long, correct? But it is not happen for the long position today. But and also I showed you for short position, once it's retracement and come down, you have to go for short. Okay, so are you able to see this line? Okay. So as showed on the video, see, after consolidation, it has been there's like taken retracement and broken the level first like first candle and coming down. Okay. So if you taken here, okay, I will show you. If you taken here after the consolidation and coming down, see, it has come to up to previous day low. Okay, it is this is enough for first day, first profit. Okay, sorry. So almost 100 plus points. Okay, after that you have to wait for the second levels. Okay, once broken this previous day low, it has to close this position here. Okay, then you can take second level. It will come to this level. Are you able to see this green line? Okay, so perfectly worked and supported and taken up here from this level. Okay, these levels already I showed in the previous video. This is not drawn new no. Okay, so whatever I have showed in the levels in the chart, okay, it is perfectly worked. So this is the price action which is respecting by the market. Okay, but we have to calm and wait for our entry. If we take like if you are emotion and sometime taken here there and we cannot able to wait, if you see green candle, then it will be hit our stop losses, we have to come out for the losses only. So we have to confident on our setup on how to wait for the right entry. So if we waited here, we can come up to here. Okay, okay, you have to like no one will wait for full profit to take it. Okay, at least 50 percentage as per the next support levels or resistance level, whatever it is which you have marked. At least you can book the profit there and you can trailing. If it is it, that is then no, then is okay. Your anyway will come out with the profit. But if you emotion on the chart uh, based on this candle colors, then you will end up with the losses only. Okay. So this is a post-market report of Bank Nifty. Whatever I showed in the previous video, it is perfectly working. And if you take in the trading today, you will end up with the good profits on short positions. Okay. So let me know if you have taken any levels today and comment me. Okay. So if you have any queries or any other topics need to cover, please let me know. I will try to put it on next videos. Okay. So this is for Bank Nifty and for pre-market analysis for tomorrow Tuesday. I will upload it soon now. Okay. So please watch my previous video, previous levels. Okay. Then to analyze on your own uh, ideologies. Then you have to understand what is going on in the market, how to handle it, everything. Okay. Once you confident on your setup, then go ahead. Okay. So and also I'm highlighting here. Okay, always I'm suggesting you and requesting you to not trade without stop loss. Okay, so not every day we cannot able to take profits, and also every day our setups won't work. Okay, It's not a 100% uh, holy grail concepts, okay, in market. Every setups will work, but not 100%, okay. So but we have to ready with the our stop loss to avoid the capital washouts, okay. So now market given this kind of profits, this kind of trade, okay, sometimes market can reverse from here with the huge candles. So that time, if you are not put your stop loss, then it will hit you hard on your capital. Okay. So please follow the risk reward, risk management, everything. Okay. Learn the skills, then enter into the trade. Okay. Uh, and then we'll upload video, pre-market video soon. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me know on comments if you taken any trade on this levels. Okay. Thank you.